There she is, watering the potatoes.
Onions in between the potatoes.
Ah, I got you. I got you.
I want my onions frying out.
Mm-hmm.
I think everything's looking good.
Right. Oh, they grew about a foot since I seen them last. Cause of all the rain, I guess.
Yeah, all that rain. Good rain.
Here goes some onions and garlic. What's that in there? Cabbage too?
Yeah, red cabbage and red mustard.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, gonna have some good eatings. Life springs forth. Alright, so here is the poor little herb garden. I don't know, I think it might be too much nitrogen in there or something. I thought this stuff would have really took off. There's a mosquito bush. We'll see how he does. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about my poor compost bin. I got trees growing out of it. I haven't flipped it for a while. So I guess I got squash growing in there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's time to flip it. No excuses now. Here's our poor little kiwi. We planted. I'm hoping it makes it. I tried to put it in the shade. And no, it's gonna be kiwi though. We got our elderberries. They're doing real good. I got 3 wonderful elderberry bushes that made it. This apricot tree is looking really wonderful. But our poor peach tree is not doing so good. I don't know what it could be. Maybe because we're in North Dakota, huh? But no, there's our elderberry tree bush. And then I got Siberian mother's wort. A little wild lettuce. It's got to grow some more. Comfrey. Oh, there's more wild lettuce. That wild lettuce is already flowered. And we got this poor aloe vera. I think it's been too wet. Let's see. Lemon balm. And then cocoa mint patch.